Hello children, welcome back to Max Make Easy. Let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operations exercise 13E part 2. In this session I am going to start with 7th question. If you want 1st to 6th, check the part 1 I have given in the description box. Here this is the question. Here we need to add all these three fractions, right? In algebra we are going to add this fractions. Look at the denominator, it's completely different, 2, 3 and 4. If the denominators are same, then you can add the numerator directly, but here it's 2, 3 and 5. So what you need to do is take the LCM of the denominator, that is 2, 3 as well as 5. How to do LCM? It is very easy. Just write down this 2, 3, 5, right? Now start calculating it with least number. So start with 2. Is it divisible by 2? Any number, any one number divisible by 2? Yes, here this 2 is divisible by 2. So place 2 over here. 2 ones are 2 and write remaining 3 and 5 as it is, because it is not divisible by 2. 3 and 5 is not divisible by 2. So now next check for 3. Is any number divisible by 3? Yes, 3 will be divisible by 3. So just put 3 ones are 3 and write 5 as it is. Now 5 is divisible only with 5, right? So just write 5 ones are 5. As you got all ones, then you can stop the calculation and write down this primary factors, that is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30, right? Now we need to make this denominator into 30. How to make this denominator into 30? With which number if you multiply 2 you will get 30, right? If you multiply this 2 with 15, 1 5 15, then you will get 30, right, into 15. Because you are multiplying it with 15, even in the numerator you have to multiply with 15, right? Here next number 3. To make this 3 into 30, you have to multiply it with 10, right? So you can write it as into 10. Because denominator is multiplied with 10, even in numerator you should multiply it with 10. Is it clear, children? Next, here 5 is here, right? With which number if you multiply, you will get 36, right? 5 6 is 30. So when you are multiplying the denominator with 6, you need to multiply the numerator with 6, right? Now in the next step I am just multiplying this 5 into k is 15k, 10 into k is 10k, 6 2s are 12k, and down when you multiply with 2 15s are 30, 3 10s are 30, 5 6 are 30. Because all are having plus sign, you can simply add them all. 15 plus 10 plus 12, that is 37k by 30. So this is our answer. I hope this is very clear. Let's move on to the 8th question. 2x by 5 plus 3x by 4 minus 3x by 5. Even here the denominator is different, so we need to take the LCM. Even in some problems you may get braces, so check till the end of the video. Even I have explained when there is a bracket how to solve a problem, right? Here I am taking the LCM of 5, 4 and 5. Check with the least number, that is you can check it with 2, but I am taking 5. 4 is not divisible, right? So if you don't want to make any mistake, you can start with 2 also, right? But I am starting with 5. 1s are 5 and 4 I am writing down as it is. Now to solve this 4, don't start with 4. You should start with 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2. Right? So we got ones finally. Now multiply all this primary factor. 5 into 2 into 2, that is 20. Right? Now let's make this denominators equal. With 5, which number should be multiplied to get it 20? You can multiply it with 4. Right? 5 4s is 20. So when you are multiplying the denominator with 4, even the numerator should be multiplied with 4. Here 4 should be multiplied with 5 to make it 20, because we got LCM is 20, right? We have to make the denominator into 20. Because you are multiplying the denominator with 5, even in numerator it should be multiplied with 5. Here to make this 5 into 20, 5 4s are 20, right? So 5 4s are, and even the numerator should be multiplied with 4. So when you multiply it, what you get is, I have just multiplied inside. 4 2s are 8x, 5 3s are 15x, 4 3s are 12x. Now look here children, 2 are having positive sign and 1 is having negative sign. So add this both first. 8 plus 15 can be done first. That is 23x minus 12x. I am writing down as it is. Now one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. So put the bigger number sign. Which is a bigger number, 23x or 12x? 23x. So answer will be plus, and you have to subtract 23 minus 12, that is 11x. You have to put the bigger number sign, but you have to subtract it. Don't forget it children. I keep on repeating the same thing even from the starting of algebra. Next question. 4a minus 7 minus a minus 2a by 3 plus a by 7. This is our question. Even here the denominators are different. So take the LCM of 2, 3 and 7. Right? I'm just writing in a rough area. Now start with 7, or you can even start with 3. That's not an issue. 7, 1, 3, 1. Now again 3, because 3 is not divisible by 2, right? So when it is divisible by 3, 1, 1, 1, 7 3s are 21. Right? So LCM is 21. Now you have to make this denominator into 21. How to make the denominator into 21 is, with which number if you multiply 7, you will get 23. 7 3s are 21. So you have to multiply it with 3. Even in numerator it should be multiplied with 3, because denominator you are multiplying with 3. Here 3 7s are 21. So when you are multiplying with 7, even in the numerator you have to multiply it with 7. Here to make the 7 into 21, 7 3s are 21. So even in numerator you have to multiply it with 3. Then when you multiply it, what you get is 4 3s are 12a by 21 minus 7 2s are 14a by 21 plus 3a, 3 into a, 3a by 21. Even here you have to add this 12a by 21 with 3a by 21, because both are having plus sign, but this 14a is having minus sign. So just write down this as it is and add 12a plus 3a becomes 15a by 21 minus 14a by 21. One is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Whenever it is having one positive, one negative, put the bigger number sign. So 15 sign is plus, bigger number sign, and subtract it. 15 minus 14 will be 1. So a by 21 is the answer. 10th question. 2a by 5 minus 7b by 15 plus 13b by 3. Even here the denominators are different. Take the LCM of 5, 15 and 3. So here we need to take the 2, but it is not divisible by 2. Any number is divisible by 2. So just consider 3. Write down 5 as it is. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. Right? Now 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 1. Now just multiply this prime factors. 5 threes are 15. So now you can make this denominator into 15. Right? So if you multiply this 5 with 3, you will get 15. Is it? Yes. So as you are multiplying the denominator with 3, the same number should be multiplied with numerator. 15, but here we are already having 15. So it multiplied with 1. 1 5 is 15, right? If it is same number, multiply it with 1. Here to make this 3 into 15, we need to multiply it with 5. Because we are multiplying it with 5, even in the numerator should be multiplied with 5. Then when you multiply inside, what you get is 3 2s are 6b minus 7 1s are 7b plus 13 5s are 65a. Right? Now add 6b by 15 with 65a by 15 because both are having plus sign. I'm just adding them and I'm getting 71a by 15 minus 7b by 15. I am writing down as it is. Sorry children, I have made some typing mistakes. It's b. I have wrote as a. It's b, and even here it's not a, it's b. It's b. Because here it's completely b, right? Okay. Now subtract the 71 minus 7. It will be 64b by 15, right? Let's move on to the 11th question. This is our 11th question. We need to take the LCM of all the denominator, that is 7, 9 and 3. Right? Even it is in braces, you can take all the denominators LCM. So start with 2. It is not divisible by 2. Right? Any number is not divisible by 2. So I am starting with 3. 3, 7 as it is. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Again with 3. 7 I am writing down as it is. 3 1s are 3. Now 7. 1s is 7. Right? Now just multiply 3 into 7. That is 63. Right? Now we need to make the denominators into 63. To make it into 63, you have to multiply this 7 with 9. If you multiply with 9, the denominator becomes 63. So even the numerator should be multiplied with 9. Here to make this 9 into 63, you have to multiply this 9 with 7. So denominator should also be multiplied with 7. To make this 3 into 63, you have to multiply it with 21. So even numerator should be multiplied with 21. Right? So when you multiply inside, this is what you get. And now one is having positive sign. First solve it inside the braces. Right? Here you can do it in two ways. You can just solve it inside the braces, or else you can even multiply this minus inside with first term and inside with second term and then solve it. Solving both ways correct and you will get the same answer. But here I will teach you another method, in another example I will teach you how to multiply this inside. Now let's perform the fundamental operation on this which is inside the braces. Right? One is having plus sign, minus sign. Put the bigger number sign, that is plus, and subtract it. 56 minus 21 is 35k. Now multiply this minus inside. Plus into minus is minus. Right? Now even here one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Put the bigger number sign and subtract it. You will get 19k by 63. Right? Let's move on to the 12th question. In this I will tell you how to multiply it inside. One method I am teaching this way by solving it inside the braces itself. Here we can multiply inside, right? Okay. Even here you need to take the LCM of 8, 5, 2 and 5, right? Here start with 2. 2 4s are 8 and 5 as it is. 2 1s are 2 and 5 as it is. Again start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 write down as it is. 1 and 5 as it is. Now again with 2. 2 1s are 2. 5 write down as it is. 1 and 5 as it is. Now again you can do it with 5. 5 1s are 5. Here also 5 1s are 5. So now you can multiply this prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. That is 40. Now you have to make this denominator into 40. To make this into 40, this 8 should be multiplied with 5. 5 8s is 40, right? So I am multiplying it with 5. Even the numerator should be multiplied with 5. Now to make this 5 into 40, you have to multiply it with 8. If you multiply it with 8, even the numerator should be multiplied with 8. It's 8, children. Here to make this 2 into 40, you have to multiply with 20. If you multiply it with 20, you will get 40, right? So numerator should also be multiplied with 20. Here 5 should be multiplied with 8. To make this into 20, you have to check only for denominator. Don't check for numerator. Numerator you can put directly which number you are multiplying for denominator. When you multiply it, this is what you get. Now just multiply this minus inside. Here and like this. If you multiply, what you get is 15a by 40 plus 32 by a by 40 plus into minus minus plus into minus minus, right? So here we have solved this inside the braces, and you can even do it like this. You can choose any method. The answer will be correct. Now add this both integers fractions because both are having plus sign. I have added it for 47a by 40. Here both are having minus sign. Just put the minus sign and add it. 20 plus 16 is 36a. Now one is having positive sign, other is having negative sign. Just put the bigger number sign and subtract it. That is 11a by 40. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for fundamental concepts including fundamental operations. Thank you.